Alright guys, so this is the massive stack of bottles we have in the corner that we've been just storing here in the corner. About to take some in. Alright, so it's raining out. I'm on my phone, so this is gonna be crappy, but we got the car loaded, put the back seats down and loaded it up. Probably should have kept count of how many bags we shoved in here, but I didn't. You know, usually we fit like 10 to 15-ish. There's all these bags, and then there's one I'll be having in my lap holding on, so hopefully this will shut. It should. Had a problem with the side door because the bag was sticking a little bit too much, so I just had to shove it back over, but this should be good. There's not really any room to stick any more in because try not to block the rear view mirror too much, although it's not a crazy far trip. It's like back of the driveway, go that way or go down to where the light is and turn. Luckily there's a place real close, so it's not too far of a trip. So I'll bring you guys back. We probably will take in a few loads today too, so we'll see. Well, this is what's after one trip. This is left. We're gonna do another trip. That first 45.10. That's a new record for the amount we've taken in, and they're only 5 cents a pop too, even the 2 liters. But as you can see, there's more under there. This is all plastic bags, not bottles that I started to keep to recycle, but then never dealt with them, and they're still kind of here. And of course, there's no light in this corner. But anyway, I'm gonna do part 2, see if we can get anywhere near what we just knocked out. Right, I haven't done an update in a trip or two. This is, I think, trip 4 or 5. Hopefully, we're gonna get rid of the rest of them. We're planning on clear them all out. So, let's see. You can't see there's 3 big bags here, and then there's more bags under that and stuff. Because the spring break, we're hoping to clean up the basement a bit. And this was the first step. So, the load before it was like just over 40, and the last one we did was just about 33. We'll see what this one's worth. Should be a bit more because those black bags hold average of 3 or 4, and these hold average about $2. So, time to get loaded. We're all gone. Those are just the bags of plastic bags that were in here. I just got stacked here. What? They're all gone. There's me. All gone. It was like $120 total-ish around there for all that. And that was, I think we did 4 or 5 trips, and they were about $40, except for the one was less. It was 30. So yeah, like 120-ish estimate. We'll just go with that's the estimate, but yeah, that was like an hour or 2, and cashed in a massive hoard. So hopefully we'll kind of keep them to right along that wall. We won't stack them up again like that. We'll go every like month or so, month or 2, hopefully. So yeah, that is the journey.